Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to make a doodle into a masterpiece. To start, I got my point .8 pigment ink pen. So I'll be drawing our first flower. So I'm showing you right now the flower and its bud. Okay, so if you've seen my previous video, you might remember this as Daisy. Okay, so I'm adding petals right now. And of course, leaves. So I'll be using leaves as fillers for this drawing. So any kind of leaves, random leaves. Now I'm currently drawing a side view of the daisy. Now for the next flower, of course, this is one of my favorite as well, and you've seen this as well on my previous video. This is our cherry blossom, and another filler that I'll be using is a fern, any kind of fern that you'd like. Now I'm drawing the bud of the cherry blossom. So for the next flower, this is a random one. Small circle, big circle, and then pointed petals. I'll also be doing a different kind of leaf with the curvy or wavy sides, and I'm drawing its bud, um, just a simple round one. Next is another flower. It's just 5 petals together and a simple bud that is a little bit pointy at the end of it, and of course I'm adding leaves. So basically I'm just going to do 4 types of flowers and their buds, and as you may now see, I'm currently adding smaller version of flowers. This is it's also a filler. I'm just adding it to fill in, spaces that I cannot draw flowers. So that's it. So yeah, I'll start adding now more flowers to fill in this circle. So I decided to fill in the space with blank ink. I'm using a Sharpie and a pencil pen. And the next, I'll be adding white spots on the sky. There you have it, by using a white pigment pen. So it depends on you if that's it. You'll just have to color it or add more details. So I decided that I'll be adding more details by adding fine lines. So I'm currently using point 0.3 micron pigment ink. So, well, any kind of brand, of course, that you can use. So there you go, delicately adding these fine lines, adding details on the flowers. So here's the finished product. Looking awesome, right? That was great! I hope you've learned and enjoyed as well watching my video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will not miss any of my next videos. And of course, follow me on my social media accounts. Links are in the description box. Thank you very much again, guys. Bye bye.